Right, but then you know, I make my jerk marinade from scratch. Become a cool like that. See? Alright, right here so, I have 2 pounds worth of chicken. Yeah, to start up the electric knife. Don't know.
Yes, Papa, what you want me to do now? Talk to the people, them. Which people you are talking about? Are you one in front of me or that? Oh, that's something here. YouTube the suck up on. Alright, hold on there. Yo, I ask the people. I mean your rum pan gum now. I'm your original Dan Yagan in that. Yo, them call me rum pan gum, call me drink so much rum till my gum bun. You understand? My gum them black. Them say next year them expect me if I have no teeth, you see me? But me I drink same way. So yo, me just hold a fresh. Put on some powder to smell nice and them things there, you see me? Cause me I go down a dance now and I go wine and two, girl, you done know, you know that go already. Yeah.
Right now, me have scotch bonnet. And you see the knife, me I go chop bonnet. Me I go chop you up. 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 Chop you up.
Yo, hold on, Papa. Don't turn that off yet, you know. Come I want to talk to them about something. Come I just remember. You say one night, me I come in for a dance. And I buck up and I goat in my front yard. And then couldn't walk in the goat, they are ball. So me check out now and somebody said somebody jump me goat. And me say, what you mean jump my goat? Them say them ride him. Somebody rap me goat. Me not like that. I wanna deal with it. So me I go sing a song for you. Me I go sing a song. Cause me want to stop this. I want them. Check it. Whoa, please, don't you ride my goat. Cause I don't want my goats to be road. So please, don't you ride my goat. Cause I don't want my goats to be road. Yo, I'm still everything up. Yo.
Me tell them girl is not nice, you can me swagger turn up. Hey, girl I wait up because me swagger turn up. Me wake up. What me I do, man?